Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying your device and opening power controls. This matters because the steps differ slightly. On Windows, click Start then Settings. On Mac OS, open System Settings, and on mobile, go to Settings Display. Once done, make sure the device is plugged in if it's a laptop. Some systems limit options on battery. You will now access sleep or screen timeout controls. Follow along so you change the right setting without guessing. Now you change the actual timeout values and sleep behavior. Choose Never for screen timeout or pick a very long interval. On Windows, change both on battery and plugged into the same value. On Mac OS, set display sleep to never and prevent system sleep when display is off if needed. For Android and iOS, set auto lock or screen timeout to never. Some manufacturers hide never under advanced. Expand that menu. Once changed, proceed to keep the settings enforced. Finish by saving and testing. Lock the screen, then wait to confirm it stays on. If settings revert, restart the device and reapply them. Operating system updates or vendor utilities can override defaults. Open any manufacturer power app and set matching values. If the screen still turns off, update display drivers, disable adaptive battery or ambient light features, and remove sleep timer apps. As a final tip, create a small
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.